The Pinellas County businessman accused of stealing $100 million from medical trust funds meant for disabled people will not face a criminal contempt charge, but he is still in plenty of trouble. And this comes as Big Storm Brewing, one of his former companies, filed for bankruptcy. Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer has been following this story since he broke it last year, and he joins us now in the newsroom with the very latest on this one. Aaron?
Yeah, a federal bankruptcy judge declined to file a criminal contempt charge in this case. But as you said, he's still in plenty of hot water. Meanwhile, the families in this case are stuck in limbo. Javier Perales' family received $2 million in a medical injury lawsuit. The incident left Javier disabled. Around that time, Leo Gavoni entered their lives.
We were on first name basis. You know, he met my son. He came to our home.
Javier's mother, Amparo, says Gavoni convinced them to trust him and the Center for Special Needs Trust Administration with Javier's money.
And now I'm thinking, well, you lied the whole time. You were using the money.
She says there isn't a cent left in Javier's trust fund. Court records show the same goes for many of the 1,500 accounts that were drained by Gavoni as he took $100 million in loans from the center, which he founded in St. Pete. He never paid the money back, and the center filed for bankruptcy last year.
He is not a man. He's a terrible person. I can't even say he's human.
But he still has not faced criminal charges after a judge this week declined to recommend criminal contempt. Gavoni had been ordered to produce financial records for himself and his businesses. He still hasn't handed over everything. Tampa attorney and legal expert Anthony Rickman explained the judge's ruling.
So ultimately, this court is concerned with getting the money back and sanctioning this individual, putting him in jail, giving him those criminal sanctions does nothing to recuperate the money for these people. The court-appointed trustee running the center is now determining how much can be recouped from the 100-plus businesses seized by the court this month. One of those is Big Storm Brewing in Clearwater, which filed for bankruptcy this week. The company is also now run by court-appointed trustees who are asking for government protection so the brewery can stay open and bring in money for the victims. And they have the ability to put the money in the right places to eventually pay back the individuals who invested their funds.
Mr. Gavoni, is there anything you want to say to the families today? Meanwhile, we've tried over and over again to get Gavoni to answer questions. Do you have any remorse for what happened? But we're always met with silence. The families impacted by Gavoni are struggling to stay hopeful.
I don't even know if we ever do see any money come back to the victims, if we get it all.
And in a separate ruling, the judge determined one of Gavoni's former businesses was improperly sold for more than $1.5 million. She ordered those funds to be turned over to the plaintiffs. Meanwhile, Gavoni was previously found in contempt of court, but not criminally, and has been ordered to pay about $300,000 in fines and attorney's fees. In the judge's ruling, she indicated she'd leave it up to federal investigators to decide whether Gavoni should eventually face criminal charges. Allie?
Well, we know you'll keep following it for us. All right, Aaron Mesmer in the newsroom tonight. Aaron, thank you.